Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. I hope every single one of you guys is having a fantastic day. Today we're finally gonna upgrade the exhaust on my 2018 Mustang GT. It's been way too long having the stock exhaust, and today we're finally gonna take it to the shop and change that up and make it super loud. I hope you guys are excited as I am. It is really early in the morning and now we're gonna head to the shop. So let's start it up and hear it for one last time while it's still stock. You guys ready? Let's get it. So I'm wondering if my neighbors will hate me after today because of my exhaust. Alright guys, we are pulling up. So here's what I'm gonna do to my exhaust. Since I have an active exhaust, I don't want to touch the mufflers or mess up anything with that. I love my active exhaust, so I'm gonna do a few things to the exhaust. I'm gonna take the resonators off and put an X pipe from Steeda. Shout out to Jigger from Steeda for hooking it up. And also, I'm gonna take the cats off and put a mid pipe. Shout out to Mac Performance for that. They hooked me up. The only place on the market that have catless pipes. Check them out. But right now we're gonna raise it up, get it done. I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna do all of that, and I'm so excited to hear how this is gonna sound. So here we have the catless mid pipes, and then here we have the resonator delete, and this is the X pipe. The X pipe right here. Just everything that's gonna go in the car. So let's get under here. These gotta go. They're probably super hot right now, but these are gonna go. And then the resonators are gonna go as well. So one of the first things we're gonna do is disconnect the battery because we are about to start welding. So make sure you disconnect the battery first before you start doing anything. So that is covering that. So now that we disconnected the battery, we lifted the car up and we're gonna get started. I'm gonna try to give you guys step by step of how to kind of do this. Obviously, it's not gonna be better than the instructions that are online, but you know, some people don't like reading and don't like following instructions that way. They'd rather hear somebody tell them, and I'll be here to kind of tell you. I'm not the most skilled person with doing this, which is why I'm getting help getting this done, because I don't have anything at home that will lift this car up. But anyways, let's get started. And boom, one side is done.
No going back.
No, the second one. Just like that. And now we get these bolts off. This thing could fall on my head at any moment. All right, that's it. We're good. We'll just drive off like this. All right. So the resonator is off. And now we're gonna cut the cats out. And it's done.
Almost.
Well, just take the sensor and you're good. Finally! Man. Good thing we only gotta cut this side, and this side is just some bolts. So we just took the O2 sensor off, and we are done. Oh man, was this such a pain. But it's finally off, and we don't need these ever again. So now this would go right here, but you must round this right here. So you need to torch it and round it up so this could fit perfectly. And that's the next challenge we gotta go through. And now the other side is simple bolts, and we don't have to really cut anything. So that's gonna come off next. So we're using this to basically open that top bolt. We finally got the screw off after it's just taken so long because you need an extension literally from here all the way there. We're just gonna leave it because we gotta bolt it back on. So now we're gonna raise the car. So finally, let me show you guys. Well, this screw was right here. We had to reach it through the hood. It was such a pain in the you know what. Right here. Finally, we got it off. Now, throw this in the garbage now. So we put one of the sides in here. There it is. This was the annoying side that took almost forever. And the other side was easy because now there's no cats we gotta worry about. Bam! Just like that. Make sure you put the sealant right there. That's the red stuff you're seeing right there. So one side is almost done. We also got the X pipe left. And then this side is gonna require the welding. So it's quite a process. It's quite a process, but it's coming along. So we're gonna put the X pipe now. We're just trying to test fit everything. And holy moly, does that thing isn't long, huh? Alright? It's pretty long. How are we gonna do this?
Just to cut this over here.
We gotta cut more, huh?
Yep.
Oh man. So we just measured where we gotta cut. So we got the blue line. We're gonna start cutting that. Boom! Let's see. It's gonna be my new shift knob. Next side. Boom! Both of these are cut. So more garbage. Just kidding. I'm not actually throwing these in the garbage. Now we could take this and finally put it up here. Alright, now we're getting these babies on. This is the X pipe, by the way, by Steeda. Shout out to Steeda. So now we're putting the O2 sensor back. Alright. And then where do we put that? Put it through this little loophole. And in here. Bam, bam, bam. That's simple. So right now he's tack welding. What is going on, guys? Welcome. No, I'm just kidding. So, I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but I'm somewhere back here. And we are welding right now. And I can't see you anymore. But now I can. Can you see me? I'm in here. What do you guys think? Does this look good? I'm about to start vlogging just like this. We are almost done welding, by the way. And this looks really cool on me. I think I'm gonna start vlogging like this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I hope you guys can hear me. So for the past 10 minutes, we've been trying to figure out the exhaust tips, kind of make them centered and also bring them out. Let me show you guys how far we have gotten into that situation. So here they are. They look pretty good. And now it's finally time to bring it down. So one last thing we gotta do before we turn the car on, and that's connect the battery back on. So the moment you guys have all been waiting for, and I was waiting for it as well, is we're finally gonna turn on the Mustang. I am super excited. Okay, I'm done making you guys wait. So I'm about to turn it on with my keys, and we're gonna see how it sounds. You guys ready? Let's get it done. All right. So by the way, right now the active exhaust is on normal mode. On sport mode or track mode, it opens up even more. You see how it got a little quieter? So we're gonna open them up and I'm gonna show you guys how loud it really is. Ready?
Again.
Woo! Oh man, that was loud. Let me know what you guys think of that. My clothes are so dirty. I'm literally dirty from head to toe, and we finally finished it. I want to give a special shout out to Steeda Jigger from Steeda, also Willie from Mac Performance for the catless mid pipes, and then Steeda of course for the X pipe. It sounds epic and so loud. I'm actually really happy with it. But now it's time to let you guys go. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video where we'll do more revving, we'll do point of view driving, and also compare stock to the way it is now. But if you guys like today's video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on. Make sure you also follow my social media. It's right here in the corner, and I will see you guys on the next upload. Have an awesome day. Make sure you guys stay positive. Peace out.